In January of 1610, Galileo Galilei aimed a small handmade telescope toward Jupiter. What he saw that night did not just change astronomy, it changed how humanity understood its place in the universe. He discovered 4 small points of light orbiting another world, not Earth, not the Sun, but Jupiter. In that moment, the universe stopped being a hierarchy and became a system. Before Galileo, everything revolved around Earth. The heavens were perfect, unchanging, and separate from us, but those moons shattered that illusion. They proved that planets are not isolated rocks drifting in space. They are dynamic systems with their own gravity, their own structure, and their own histories, and that single observation launched planetary science. Every planetary system begins not with planets but with collapse. Cold clouds of gas drift silently through space until gravity overwhelms pressure. The cloud contracts, spins faster, and flattens into a rotating disk, and we observe these disks forming around young stars today. Inside those disks, matter organizes into rings where gravity and motion allow material to gather. Dust becomes stone, stone becomes boulders, collisions accelerate, and planetary embryos dominate their zones, showing how order rises from chaos. As planets grow, they heat from compression and melt inside. Heavy metals sink inward, forming dense spinning cores, and motion inside those molten cores creates magnetic fields that shield atmospheres and surfaces from space, because a planet without an engine is already failing. Volcanoes release gases that build skies, pressure forms, heat escapes, and as worlds cool, vapor condenses into clouds and rain. So water is not a miracle but a natural phase transition of planetary balance. As internal heat fades, motion slows, magnetic fields weaken, atmospheres thin, and Mars becomes not a tragedy but a memory of a world that once lived inside its window. Planets do not die suddenly, they age when balance fails. Galileo's moons taught us that worlds are systems, and today we go further, understanding that planets are not static objects but living processes with beginnings, middle ages, and ends, and Earth is not exempt, because the future of our world depends on whether we preserve its balance or allow its clock to run out as the cycle continues one world at a time.